Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs and just looking so gorgeous videos and more creative designs I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly ideas, newly attractive videos and more creative videos, and otherwise we have to share with different patterns are used in different things. Just looking so gorgeous design, we must say, and more stunning and creative videos. You look be very gorgeous, you look be very stunning, and give more fabulous videos. You will be amazing videos. And stunning designs, stunning videos, and we have to share with totally designs. It's your choice, and more efforts for I have shared with newly things, newly gorgeous videos, more creative videos, and more stunning designs. And its granny skirt are used in different things for handbags, ponchos, and for all our things. All our designs of granny skirt are added in totally videos. May Allah Almighty keep you happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to inspire my video like this. Ameen. Like these creative videos, like this fantastic designs, and more amazing design. And more stunning videos and stunning designs we have to share with you. Different videos, I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all newly members will be connected. This is some things for newly attractive videos, newly attractive designs, and I'm waiting for these totally videos, totally comments for more stunning designs ideas. More creative videos I have shared with you. This is so amazing video, and I have shared with newly things, newly attractive design, and so let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.